In 2026, relationships are not breaking because people stopped loving. They are breaking because people stopped listening to themselves, to each other, and to God. They loved each other. But love alone was no longer enough. Parenthood had arrived, and it brought pressure, fear, and unanswered prayers.
You haven't looked at me all evening.
I'm just trying to unwind. Work was brutal today.
This is spiritual intimacy, not perfection, not religious performance, but shared vulnerability before the divine.
I thought becoming parents would make us closer. Why do I feel more alone than ever?
I'm afraid. Afraid I won't be a good father. Afraid I'm failing her. Afraid God is silent.
Can I tell you something without fixing it?
Yes.
I pray every night, but lately I don't know what to say to God anymore.
I stopped praying because I thought he was disappointed in me.
I'm scared of raising a child without peace.
I'm scared of losing us.
The stress didn't disappear. The sleepless nights remained. But something deeper changed. They were no longer fighting each other. They were fighting with each other on the same spiritual side. Marriage was never meant to be a contract. It was meant to be a calling. In a world tired of noise, the strongest marriages are choosing essence, shared faith, shared fear, shared hope. Because when two people kneel together, stress loses its power.